Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're taking you inside the newly remodeled Sahara Las Vegas, a historic property that's been reimagined with stylish modern flair. Let's go take a look around. Once known as a classic Rat Pack hangout, the Sahara has undergone a major transformation in recent years. Located on the north end of the Strip, it blends vintage Vegas charm with modern style. It stands out as one of the few resorts offering free self and valet parking. You heard that right, free parking in Vegas. Plenty of EV charging stations are also available, making it convenient for today's travelers. As you step inside, the renovated lobby immediately sets the tone. Bold lighting fixtures, marble finishes, and plush seating areas give it a boutique luxury feel. Check-in is quick, easy, and the service feels genuinely welcoming. For added convenience, there's even an enterprise rental car desk right at the check-in area. The remodeled casino spans 60,000 square feet and offers all your favorites, from classic slot machines to blackjack, roulette, craps, and more. It's high energy, but still feels more intimate than some of the mega resorts on the Strip. Sahara offers 3 distinct towers, each with its own style and vibe. The Blanca Tower features the hotel's entry-level rooms, simple, stylish, and efficient, with most accommodations measuring a compact 325 square feet, perfect for couples or solo travelers. The Mara Tower offers extra space, plush bedding, and large work areas. While the Alexandria Tower offers premium rooms and suites with upgraded finishes and easy access to the exclusive rooftop pool. Now let's make way to our room on the 7th floor of the Mara Tower. Let's check out room 30704. Here at the Sahara Las Vegas, this is a 2-queen room. So as soon as you walk in, you'll see the restroom. It has a single sink with this weird mirror here. There's a square one and an oval one right beside it. It's kind of dark in here, but yeah, that's weird. It's pretty dark in here. So those are the products they have here. They have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and they do give you bar soap and lotion as well. Towels are below, and there's a hairdryer. There's the toilet, and the shower here is pretty spacious. So it's a rainfall shower. Looks nice and clean. All right, now let's check out this closet right by the door. Very small closet with the iron and ironing board and some hangers. And beside it is a little bar area with this nice mirror, an ice bucket, and they provide you with a couple of bottles of water, so that's nice of them. Over here is the fridge, which is cool because they don't fill it up with a bunch of liquor for purchase, so you can actually use that. And a bunch of storage drawers here. The bottom one has a safe. And this huge mirror right here is also the door for the bathroom for privacy, so you can close that. And here is the bedroom. So there's the 2 queen beds with a large mirror right beside it. And they have plugs here. So they have 2 USB-A plugs and a couple of outlets to charge your devices. Let's see, and small office desk here with a lamp. Turn that light on, and some more plugs to charge your devices here. And there's a luggage rack. There's 4 huge drawers here for your items, so you won't run out of storage here. They're pretty deep, so. Big screen TV, but the cables are kind of just hanging around, which is weird. I've never seen that at a hotel we've stayed at before. A lounge chair, and let's check out our view. We have a view of the parking lot, and there's that Westgate sign over there. So overall, The room looks nice here at the Sahara Las Vegas. When it comes to dining, Sahara has something for every craving, from elevated fine dining to casual comfort food and quick pick-me-ups. Let's take a look at the restaurants that make this resort a true foodie destination. First up is Uno Mas, bringing Mexico City flavor to the Strip with fresh tortillas, bold fillings, and some of the best margaritas in Vegas. For breakfast or brunch, check out Zephyr's Cafe. It's a bright and casual spot with standout dishes like chicken and waffles, chilaquiles, and loaded breakfast sandwiches. Chiquis and Pete's Crab House and Sports Bar was named ESPN's #1 sports bar in North America. Guests can enjoy fan-favorite comfort food like crab fries, lobster pie, and classic game day bites, all surrounded by wall-to-wall HD TVs and a lively atmosphere. Directly connected to Chiquis, the William Hill Sportsbook offers a seamless betting experience with a massive HD video wall, service in-play kiosks, and tableside service, perfect for sports fans and serious bettors. Over at the Noodle Den, watch chefs hand-pull noodles and craft xiaolongbao in the open kitchen. This spot specializes in northern Chinese flavors with dishes that are as fun to watch being made as they are to eat. For something a bit more soulful, head to Bala Italian Soul. This stylish restaurant offers handmade pastas, pizzas, and wood-grilled meats, all crafted with seasonal ingredients and served in a lively, open kitchen setting. Need a quick bite or a sweet treat? Prendy is a modern grab-and-go cafe offering fresh pastries, sandwiches, artisan gelato, and rich Italian espresso. It's perfect for guests on the move or anyone craving something light and delicious. Bazaar Meat by Jose Andres is set to close and will be replaced by Maroon, a bold Caribbean-inspired steakhouse set to open later this year. And of course, for your daily coffee fix, there's a full-service Starbucks located right inside the resort. Without a doubt, AZILO Ultra Pool is the standout attraction at Sahara Las Vegas. This vibrant, high-energy pool scene is a must-visit, and the best part? It's open to everyone, whether you're staying at the hotel or just visiting for the day. This Moroccan-inspired day club brings serious heat with live DJs, bottle service, and one of the largest LED screens on the Strip. For a more luxurious experience, rent one of the many daybeds, lounge chairs, or private cabanas. A full-service bar is located poolside, perfect for grabbing a refreshing cocktail or a quick bite without leaving the action. For something more serene, head to the Alexandria Rooftop Pool, a quiet retreat perfect for sunbathing, relaxing, and taking in panoramic views away from the crowds. Now, let's take a look at the stylish lineup of bars and lounges Sahara has to offer. First up is Casbar Lounge, Sahara's vibrant centerpiece bar. Open 24/7, it serves up handcrafted cocktails in a sleek modern setting with plush seating and neon-lit ambiance. If you prefer your night smooth and sophisticated, head over to the Tangier. This intimate, vintage-inspired bar offers 200 whiskeys and a carefully curated cocktail menu. It's quiet, classy, and perfect for those who appreciate a great pour and great conversation. At night, AZILO Ultra Pool transforms into AZILO Ultra Lounge, a sultry poolside nightlife destination with fire pits, plush cabanas, and one of the largest LED walls on the Strip. Magic Mike Live is a high-energy show co-created by Channing Tatum, featuring two-story seating, live music, immersive lighting, and a full-service bar, perfect for bachelorette parties. The Sahara Theater on the casino level hosts live music, comedy, and headlining shows in an intimate venue where every seat feels close to the action. Located on the second floor of the Alexandria Tower, Amina Spa is a peaceful escape offering massages, facials, and body treatments in a serene setting, Open to everyone, not just hotel guests, the spa features aromatherapy, steam room, and relaxing lounges, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a busy day or night on the Strip. Sahara makes it easy to stay active with 2 convenient fitness centers. The Blanca Tower Gym is open 24 hours a day and offers plenty of cardio machines, free weights, and strength training stations, ideal for a quick workout any time of day or night. For a more complete fitness experience, head to the Alexandria Fitness Center, located right next to the spa. Access is exclusive to guests staying at the Alexandria Tower, Mara Style Plus rooms, and Mara Signature Suites, but others can purchase a day pass at the Amina Spa. This spacious 1,600 square foot studio features state-of-the-art techno gym cardio and weight equipment, along with free weights for a well-rounded workout. The hotel offers convenient on-site shopping, featuring travel essentials, Sahara-branded souvenirs, luxury accessories, and unique gifts. Whether you need basics or something special, everything is just steps from your room. And if you need to head to the Strip, getting around is a breeze with a Las Vegas monorail, conveniently located just steps from the hotel. The Sahara monorail station connects you directly to some of the Strip's biggest attractions, from the Las Vegas Convention Center to Caesar's Palace, the Link, and all the way down to the MGM Grand. Here's a look at ticket prices, which can be purchased per ride or multiple day passes for additional savings. Looking to host an event? Sahara offers a range of modern venues ideal for weddings, corporate meetings, and private gatherings, all designed to make your occasion memorable. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Sahara Las Vegas. This resort blends classic Vegas charm with modern sophistication. From the no parking fees and updated comfortable room to the vibrant AZILO Ultra Pool with no entry fee, the entire experience felt like a great value. With a wide variety of dining options, there's always something new to enjoy. We definitely stay here again, and if you're looking for a stylish, convenient, and affordable Vegas getaway, Sahara should be at the top of your list. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more travel content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Sahara Las Vegas. And don't forget to check out our other Las Vegas hotel tour videos for more inspiration on where to stay next.